Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. As you can see by the title, by the thumbnail, by looking at me, today we are going for a green eye. And I know I miss St. Patrick's Day. Girl, I don't know where my head was. Actually, I wasn't even home on Sunday. Me and my man, we took the day off and we went to Park City. We did a little bit of shopping. We went out and ate and we just spent time together. My daughter actually stayed with my sister and they went to the movies, yada, yada, yada. So yeah, I didn't have time to do a St. Patrick's Day look, but here it is, whether you guys celebrate it or not. This is just a green eyeshadow makeup tutorial. I really wanted to use the new Colourpop Just My Luck eyeshadow palette. They released this before St. Patrick's and I ordered it before St. Patrick's because I wanted to do a makeup tutorial and then I forgot. So here we are. I am going to be doing a quick little review. I'm also going to add some swatches on this palette. I'm going to give you my honest opinion as always. Do we like her? Do we not like her? What are our thoughts? And as you can see, I created a very green eyeshadow look with just this palette, besides one other product that I used, which was this little pigment for the inner corner, but anybody can get away with that. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I don't think I want to ramble on too much because I feel like I always do, and I don't think I have anything to say. Do I? So if you guys are interested in knowing and seeing how this eyeshadow palette performs, whether you want to pick it up or not, go ahead and keep on watching and let's jump right into this makeup tutorial. Here is the palette. I'm kind of bummed out that I missed the whole St. Patrick's Day, but it is what it is. This is the Just My Luck Pressed Powder Palette. Now on the back it has all the names that you need to know. And then when you open it, it is right here. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful palette. Green is a color that I rarely use, but when I use it, I love it every single time. It is such a beautiful shade. So here we're going to start with the shade Chances Are. My has 50-50, Big Banks, Mary Jane, Olive You, Act Natural, Mo Mamba, and Charmed. Now, Charmed, when I was looking at this palette, so many people were like, that's brown. And it does look really, really brown, like when you're looking at it. But once you swatch it, it actually has tons of like olive, deep olive undertones. So yeah, just wanted to point that out. The first thing I'm going to do is just prep my eyes with the P. Louise base in the shade 02. The first shade that I'm going to go in is with Act Natural, which is this really pretty, like, deepish green. If you don't have this palette, you can also go in with, like, the James Charles palette and use the greens in that palette. Duh. But I bought this one specifically for this tutorial because I really wanted to try out this palette. I don't know, it just seemed really pretty. Even though it's like a, what's it called, St. Patrick's? Girl, I cannot speak today. It is Sunday. My brain is like, it doesn't want to work. It just wants to sleep. And yeah, I sound crazy. I kind of want to go for a halo eye. I haven't done one in such a long time. So I think we might go that route. So what I'm going to do now is just keep on packing the color. But I'm also going to bring it in to the inner corner right here. So you just want to keep packing that on. And with that same brush, all I'm going to do is press it down like this, and this is going to help blend that eyeshadow a little bit. And that's what's going to create that really pretty, like, seamless look. So just press it down and like drag it down. Do you guys see how I'm doing that? I'm not doing back and forth. I'm not doing circle motions. All I'm doing is like tapping and pulling it down. Just like that. See how it kind of blended the shadow for us? Obviously it's not super blended, but that's okay. Now I am going with the shade Kiss My Ass, which is this one right here. You know what? I'm just going to use this mirror. I don't know why I'm trying to struggle. And I'm going to take this Coastal Scents BRCN06 brush. P.S. I've been wanting to do like a, and really quickly before I start talking, all I'm going to do is just pack that on right there. As I was saying, I've been wanting to do an updated like brush video where I show you guys my favorite brushes for blending, and most of them are super affordable, like drugstore prices. So if you guys want to see a video on what are my brushes that I use to get like a really good blend, let me know and I'll get that video out for you guys. And I am going back and picking up the shade Chances Are. With that same brush, all I do is just clean it off. And this is going to go at the very top. So this is what's going to help us look nice and blended. Okay, this definitely is looking a little similar to my Pisces look. So I am going to go in with the shade Charmed. And I am just going to deepen the inner and outer corners of the eyes. See, and once you lay it on top of that turquoise green color, it definitely looks more olive toned. Oh my god, you guys, this palette is absolutely stunning. I feel like I haven't played with Colourpop in such a long time. They recently released like their spring collection. Oh, there's a palette that I really want and I'm like tempted to buy it, but I'm like, do I really need it? But it's affordable, so I do need it. The struggle. Now to cut the crease, I'm going to go back with my P. Louise base. And what I'm going to do is apply it to the center. So make sure that you're looking straight into your mirror. And then you just want to look up. And where you see that the concealer is, or you can go like this too. And look up. It'll show you where your crease naturally folds. And that's where you want to apply your shadow, because if you apply it like below, once you open your eyes, if you have any glitter or any shimmer shadow, it's going to transfer to your crease and it's not cute. So we're just going to do a rounded halo eye. So I did go back and make it more into like a half moon shape, I guess you can call it. And I wasn't sure what shade I wanted to go with, but because it's me, I like to be bold, I'm going to take the shade Mary Jane, which is this one right here. I'm going to take this little Alamar brush and apply a little bit of setting spray or water, whatever you have. Take that shade and I am pressing it only in the center. Oh my god, that is stunning. I'm not going to worry about perfecting it too much. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going back into the same shades. I'm first going to pick up Kiss My Ass and then Act Natural and then Charmed, just to complete the eye look and bring that halo together. For my lower lash line, I just applied a color, a skin color, right? Skin colored eyeliner. I'm going to go back with the shade Charms, and then I'm actually adding a little bit of Mo Bamba. I've already prepped my lashes with some mascara. Now I'm just going to pop these on. These are actually a brand new release, or a little collection from Lash Kitty. This is their Pink Fairy collection. I will insert a picture here. And you guys, I wanted to tell you, oh my god, my discount code Ohmglashes is currently good for 20% off, okay? That is a lot. These lashes are only $10. 20% off is a really good deal. So if you guys are interested in either grabbing my lash collab, use my code because it will save you a good chunk of money. Okay, so the lashes are on, and I think I forgot to tell you guys what style these are. These are Moonlight, which are really pretty and like fluffy and a little bit wispy. So anyways, with that said, we're going to jump right into the bronzer. I'm going to take the Rimmel Stay Matte powder, which is actually a setting powder. But if you guys saw my Rimmel London like little tutorial where I tested the entire matte line, I'll use this as a bronzer, and oh my god, I can't put it down. I love the color. I love how silky it is. Very finely milled, so I've been enjoying it. If my energy seems a little bit down, I'm so sorry. I'm just not myself today. I took some medicine last night to help me sleep, and honestly, I think that's like what fucked up just my entire day, because I feel very like low on energy, and I could not wake myself up this morning whatsoever. I would wake up and then fall back asleep, and I just felt so tired. But again, I think it was like the medicine that I took. So I do apologize if I don't seem a little bit more cheery than I normally am, but I promise this ain't gonna happen again. And then really quickly to finish off the eyes, I am taking this Neon Pigments by the brand Mayo Makeup, I think. There's some brand that I found on Instagram. I'm going to take my favorite brush. I love this brush for inner corner highlight. I have no idea where it's from. Like, there's no name on it. It's so old. I want to say it's from like Beach Cosmetics. I don't know. I really don't. So I'm going to take this little pigment. This is such a stunning color. It's just pure white, but it has the most beautiful, oh my God, do you guys see that? Yeah, it's intense. To highlight my face, I am taking this Pixi and Dulce Candy highlight. It's called Café con Dulce, and it just has a whole bunch of different beautiful highlighters. I mix this one, this oh, this one, and this one, which is a lot. You don't need to do that, but it has a really pretty like peachy finish, so why not? For my lips, I'm going to take a little concoction that I really been liking. Like, I'm really into this lip combo at the moment. I am taking the, surprise, surprise, Italia lip liner in the shade brown. If you guys are familiar with any MAC lip liner, this is a really good dupe for MAC Cork, I believe is the name of it. If you guys don't want to dish out like $16, $17, $18, $12, however much those lip liners are, look into the Italia brand. You can get like 12 lip liners for $8-10. Super affordable. After that, I'm going to take this lipstick by Covergirl. This one is called Dulce de Leche 225. It is a very, very, very light pink shade, and I'm going to apply it mainly to the center of the lips and then just kind of like blend it out. Then to seal the deal, I am taking one of my favorite lip glosses as of probably the past 2 months. I've been really loving this just to create this lip effect. It's the Dose of Colors Honey I'm Home lip gloss. I know I've spoken about this a few times, but I just have to mention it to you guys. It's really good. Now, I've been more into a center gloss. I don't apply the gloss all over the lips. I just apply it to the center and then blend it out with my own lips, and it creates more attention to the center of the lips, which again makes them look a little bit juicier. And there it is. What do you guys think about this eye look? What do you guys think about the Just My Luck eyeshadow palette by Colourpop? I think it's a really good palette, you guys. The packaging is super cute. The price is perfect, and the performance of the products, I was shook, okay? Every single product in this, every single eyeshadow is just so creamy, so pigmented. There's a little bit of kick up, but because they are more like pigments, like pressed pigments, they are going to have like that kick up and, you know, all that stuff that not a lot of people like. Thank you guys for joining me today on Makeup Monday. Again, I apologize if I am feeling and looking a little bit down. I will definitely have more energy for Wednesday's video. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell to be notified with all my videos. Thank you guys again for joining me for Makeup Monday. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video, okay? Mwah. Bye.